Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a water text effect on Canva using something super easy. So go to apps and select the magic morph one here. And then I'm just going to add a text first actually, and I'm just going to type water. So I can use whatever font I want. I'll just do, let's see some like bubble fonts here. Oh gosh, I don't like these. Hold on, give me a second. Make sure it's like also thick, I guess, so you can kind of like see. Let's do this one, it's fine. Let's go back to Magic Morph here. Select an element, so I'm just going to select this one. You can color it to whatever color you want. I'll just do blue. Maybe it's going to change. I'm not sure actually. Describe the look. I'm just going to type in water like droplets. Then you're just going to select Magic Morph, and they're going to give you like some examples of what it'll look like, and I think you can just pick one. It does take a few seconds to generate, so just bear with me on that. And while we wait, how are you guys? Leave your feelings in the comment section. Okay, so they're not the best looking, like as you can see. Actually, this one's pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, it's going to create kind of somewhat like a water effect to it like this. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just trying it out with the white text. You can stay if you want. You can wait for the results, but if you don't want to, that's totally fine. It will still come out as like this blue if that's not what you're looking for. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.